Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to showcase my Vue.js project, a Wikipedia search engine built using the Vue.js. So this application allows users to search Wikipedia article and toggle between different themes for customized experience. So let's dive into the application. Here is let me see. This is a simple user-friendly design. So let me see. Let's search for a topic. As I type Vue.js. Okay. So when you type the Vue.js, let me update the view. So this is search result pulled directly from the Wikipedia API. So each result include a title and a snippet. So here, one of the unique feature is a theme toggling. And you can see here, we can switch between the white, red, deep blue, and deep green themes. So as I touch through this option, so this application is powered by the Vue.progressive JavaScript frameworks. Because Vue's relative data binding feature update the user interface as a data train, which you can see in the action when it performs a search, right? So this is data. So once the data train, so the Vue will update the Vue, right? The Vue.js will update the Vue immediately. So this is advantages of the Vue because they have a reactive data binding feature that it. So I show other thing to you to have a look. So let me see. In here, you can see cargo theme this button, right? So the theme switching is handled by this method, right? It cycle through array through. It cycle through an array of the theme here, and then apply this theme to the body class, and then it will update the view immediately. Because after the data update, the view will automatically update. Okay, so on the other hand, how to fetching the Wikipedia article? So we use the Wikipedia API. So here, how we construct the API request here. So this is an endpoint for the Wikipedia API. So I get in here. So and then we turn to the endpoint. So a very simple program, just flashes, and then you will got a JSON. So and then you can use this JSON to update the view, right? So you can see here this data, right? The view data. This is a search result. So in the front end, in the HTML, and you can see here, I using the cycle loop in intuitive loop the search result and then display, and then each search result have the page ID. Okay, so that's our Wikipedia search application. So this is a great example of what you can build with Vue.js and a little creativity. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave comment or question below. Thank you for watching. So and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.